Kids. Say with me color name. Orange, green, pink, blue, red, write with me A. A is for apple. Write with me B. B is for butterfly. Write with me C. C is for cat. Write with me D. D is for dragon fruit. Write with me E. E is for egg. Write with me F. F is for fish. Write with me G. G is for grapes. Write with me H. H is for hippo. Write with me I. I is for iguana. Write with me J. J is for jackfruit. Write with me K. K is for kite. Write with me L. L is for leaf. Write with me M. M is for moon. Write with me N. N is for nest. Write with me O. O is for orange. Write with me Phi. Phi is for pineapple. Write with me Q. Q is for quail. Write with me R. R is for rocket. Write with me S. S is for sun. Write with me T. T is for tomato. Write with me U. U is for unicorn. Write with me V. V is for violin. Write with me W. W is for wine. Write with me X. X is for X-ray. Write with me Y. Y is for yak. Write with me G. G is for zebra. Subscribe for more video.